Hello YouTube, this video is for unpacking and review of canister filter Fluval FX6, which will be installed on for this aquarium here that you can see in front of you right now. It's a tropical tank, tropical community tank, as you can see. There is anti-gravel filter installed currently on it, and also the Fluval Unpacked filter, which won't need to be there once the FX6 is installed. Another thing what you will notice after you see the whole video, at the end of the video, I was very excited about having this brand new FX6 delivered to my house, and I was waiting for it, and I was excited about it, and I knew that it will easily be able to handle 55-gallon aquarium and maintain crystal clear water. But unfortunately things didn't go as good as I thought they would, and at the end of this video you will see what happened. Okay, thanks. Here's the filter. It just arrived literally an hour ago, and as you can see on the box here, it's still sealed. The box is still sealed. I'll be opening that right now to see what arrived here. What we have here is looks like a drain tube, and plastic exhaust pipe here. What else do we have here? Okay, that's an intake pipe, the two brackets, two valves, and the hardware to attach them. Okay. What else is here? Put it here. And the filter itself. Yeah, here it is. The tube for intake and outtake is attached right to the body of the filter, and what I will do right now, I will try to fit that under the aquarium stand and see how it works there, and then when I start assembling the filter with the filter media and everything, I will demonstrate that as well. Right now I'll show you what came inside of this filter with this particular package. You need to unscrew all these handles here, and then carefully remove the lid. The reason why I'm saying it needs to be done carefully is because of this pipe here. This intake pipe or tube goes inside of the filter, and you need to be careful while removing it. Put it on the side. There's some paperwork here inside, and what we have inside of the filter right now is the filter baskets. The top one here has two of these sponges, which appear to be quite coarse, to be honest. 1 and 2. Okay, and then the coarse sponges that go around here, and there are 3 trays inside of it. As you can see, by using these handles, you can pull it out, the whole set of trays, and remove them from the body of the filter. These handles are used to assist you with pulling it out. And what inside of this, we already saw what's inside of the first one. Inside the second one is the wire rings, and the second tray consisting of exactly the same wire rings there. Another set of wire rings, which is nowhere near enough for the capacity of this filter. I'll have to replace it with a more appropriate biomedia. And inside of the third basket is the just a bag to, if you want to use any kind of chemical filtration, like carbon or something, then you can use that for that, or ChemiPure, for example. And there is also the, looks like carbon infused sponge inside of there, and that's it. And there's a tube that for the outlet of the filter that goes inside there. That's it. So that is the whole assembly here. It goes only one way back together. Handles. And that's how you place it into the filter there. And then this tube goes inside the filter. Oh, by the way, for information of those who are not familiar with this particular filter, this is the only filter that works. The water flow works in the opposite way from every other filter that there is on the market, because most of those filters have a pump integrated into their lid. In this particular case, the pump is located over here at the bottom of the filter. So the water flow from the aquarium, water comes through the inlet here, through this pipe over here, down to the bottom of the filter, and then through all 3 coarse sponges it goes up, and through all these areas here it goes, water is pumped up of the filter, and then it overflows here and goes through the middle of the filter down to the very bottom, through these coarse sponges and through the whatever biomedia you put in those baskets and down below, and the chemical media there. And then from the bottom it goes through this tube up to the outlet and back to the aquarium. So, and as I said, it's different from how it's done on many other filters, where the water is flowing. Water is flowing from top to bottom, from bottom to the top on all the filters. Here it does 2 passes. Once through sponges, it goes from bottom to the top, and and then from top to bottom through by media and all the rest of the media. This is for Amazon information, and for Fluval information, this is the leaking valve on Fluval FX6 filter. As you can see, it's dripping there on the left side of the valve here, quite intensely. There, drip after drip after drip.